Hello, today I'm going to share with you this Christmas tree storage bag. So follow along as I unfold it and show you how it works with a Christmas tree inside. This thing is huge. It's massive. I guess it should be since a huge Christmas tree could fit inside this. I'm gonna have to show you all a close up because this is awesome. I love how it has the zip like it did with the flap that folds back, leaving this space plenty big for you to stick a Christmas tree in, probably all by yourself. Like you may not need help. Whereas other Christmas tree bags have just one zipper down the middle and you're having to battle trying to keep the bag open. This stays open. I like that. This bag can hold like up to a 9-foot tree. The tree I'm gonna put in here today is only a 6-foot tree, but you should still be able to see just how big it is with a tree inside. So here's the inside of this Christmas tree bag, and as you can see, there's also some straps in here. So you can strap the tree down so it's not being sloshed all around as you move it. I love that. Very thoughtful. This Christmas tree storage bag actually has wheels that go with it. So when you receive your bag, you will need to attach the wheels. It comes with these 2 wheels right here, these 2 giant screw things, and a tool to tighten them on with. And there you have it. This is the Santa's Bag Easy Roller Christmas Tree Bag. If you were to ask me my recommendation on Christmas tree storage bags, I would say if you're wanting a heavy duty storage bag that is gonna last you a long time, I would definitely consider this bag, as this one is definitely gonna allow you plenty of room to stick your Christmas tree in there with the way that this unzips with the flap. It has the wheels over here, so it's easy to move this around from room to room or wherever you're going to store it and set it up. It also has a spot where you can label. So like if you have multiple Christmas trees and they're all in bags and you want to know where this Christmas tree goes, then you have it labeled here. That way it's going to go right to that spot. There you have it. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.